Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Together with the Power 7 dancers, here are your 8 beautiful and graceful Hiyas. This is the Celebrating Individuality to Build Community edition of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024.
Celebrating Individuality to Build Community edition of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. I am Pinky Rose Sia, your Bainalyagan third runner-up and Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2023. And I present to you our 8 metamorphic Hiyas. Now, let's meet them one by one.
Barangay Poblasyon, San Gabriel, Binungan, Magsaysay, and Santa Emilia! Last Farm! Abuela, madrigal, let's go, let's go!
Joan Sebelia Joeli, representing Bacaydos, Don Mateo, Masayan, Caigangan, and La Fortuna, Cluster 3!
Maria Teresa Leona Kisayo Plaza, Local Government Unit. Candidier Castro Mayor, representing the Escape Federation! Miss Abursana, representing National Agency.
Well, I run this show. Whoa! She let us in so many years ago. Whoa! And every year our family blessings grow. It's just a lot you simply got to know. Oh, welcome to the family, Madrigal. The home of the family, Madrigal. We're on our way.
Maureen Lancian Pombo, representing Barangay Candies, Del Monte, Limot, Sawagan, and Sampaguita. Cluster 2!
Sarah Nicole Alico Timporado, representing Barangay Anitap, Katipunan, Santa Cruz, Sisimon, and Sinobong, Cluster 1!
Well, all you give it up. Veruela, Madrigal. Let's go, let's go.
With Hiyas #1. Wow, that's how you kick off the show with Colin Beth Kipanet, a nursing student with a heart of gold and an advocate for health for all. She's not just reading the book, she's also strumming away on her guitar and ukulele. Remember, folks, in a world where you can be anything, kindness always wins. So let's give a cheer for the joy she pins. She is Hiyas #1, setting the stage ablaze with her golden pun. I love the confidence as she walked the stage. Make way for Christine Lopez Villaflores, a criminology student on a mission for youth mental health awareness. Despite her love for durian, she's not a fan of the candy version. Well, can you blame her? Her mouth is a gem like a diamond in a rough. Tie it to a goal, she says, and that's enough. Mental health she restores, bringing joy to all chores. Walking tall, Hiyas #2, with her calls, she'll never fall. She's got the walk, she's got the grace. She is Juan Hueli, a math whiz and a business chase. She's all about youth empowerment. Her journey includes an unexpected twist. Despite being awarded as Best Actress, she feels awkward when performing. But hey, her motto, work hard in silence and let success make a noise, speaks volumes. She's empowering dreams far and wide. By her side, here Hiyas #3 on her way to glory's ride. Wow, what a crowd for Maria Teresa Plaza, an accountancy student with a taste of adventure. When she's not crunching numbers, you'll find her cruising on her motorcycle or sipping on a cup of coffee. Her motto, let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you really are, is a mantra we can all get behind. Counting with finesse, embracing adventures without stress, a true success. Hiyas #4, as far beyond compare. And that's how you play this category with Kyla Castromayor, a marketing management student steps forth with passion for table tennis and dream of becoming a successful businesswoman. She's all about empowering hardworking farmers. And her fun fact about her weight staying the same since 13? Well, that's just impressive. Farming dreams she empowers, resilience she showers. The yes number 5, a force to thrive with a passion alive. I just love that smile radiating from Princess Jane Arcera, a high school honor student with a dream of becoming a pilot. Mental health awareness, especially for farmers, is close to her heart. And who knew she loves Grace but can't stand raisins? Talk about relatable. Mental health advocacy, her Grace in every phase. The yes number 6 with dreams to fix. She's a high-flying mix. The energy is everything for Maureen Pombo, a BS Criminology graduate with Latin honors, impresses with her prowess in Karatedo and dream of joining the Philippine Tri-Bureau, all while advocating for mental health. Did you just heard about her ice-eating skills? Bet she can eat whole day without gaining weight, now that's a talent. Criminology pride, mental health her guide. Yes, number 7, with her stride, she'll never hide. I love how she's giving that grand finale vibe as she wraps up the competition with a bow and jive. Rumor has it she's a floor sweeping pro, though I'm not entirely sure, you know. But one thing's for sure, she got us all beat, tipping us off our feet with her youth health feet. She's a force to be reckoned with. Nursing dreams soaring high, youth health she'll apply. Yes, number 8, reaching for the sky.
Veruela! Once again, here are your 8 Hiyas vying for the title of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Now this is gonna get even more exciting, ladies and gentlemen, because this next segment, we are going to get to know our candidates just a little better. You've already seen them in their creative attires, and now you see them in their play suits. It's time to see what they have in their minds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 preliminary interview. Let's start with Hiyas number 1. Alright, mukhang maraming supporters tong si Hiyas number 1. Mag-hi ka naman muna sa mga fans mo.
Hi, fans. Hi!
All right, so how are you feeling? I hope you're not too nervous.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm doing great.
All right, it seems like she is doing great, ladies and gentlemen. Now, before I continue, let me just give you a very quick reminder. Okay, this is the preliminary interview, and we will be hearing the minds or our candidates speak their minds. So, gusto natin na marinig lahat ng mga sinasabi nila on stage, okay? And more especially, gusto natin marinig ng judges what they have to say. So, please, keep quiet lang po muna tayo, chill lang muna tayo habang sumasagot yung mga candidates natin. Okay ba, Veruela? Yes, okay. So, after naman nila sumagot, pwede na kayong magsigawan. Bahala na mamatay yung mga lalamunan ninyo, okay? Alright. Ready? Okay, so, Hiyas number 1. Now, it says on your biodata that you're still studying to become a nurse someday. Why do you want to become a future nurse?
So, good evening, everyone. So, since I was a child, it's my dream to become a nurse. Just like my mother, who is serving the Veruela for 27 years. And becoming a nurse is not easy because you sacrifice a lot and need to submit yourself holistically. I wanted to become a nurse because I want to help those people who are deprived of primary health care, especially the people here in Veruela. I want them to feel the love, care, and comfort that they deserve, because the Veruelanos deserve a compassionate, competitive, and competent health professional. And as an aspiring nurse, it is my duty and priority it is my duty to serve and prioritize the health and well-being of every Veruelanos. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Hiyas number 1. And you got a great cheer from your supporters. Maraming salamat. All right, thank you once again. Napakaswerte naman ng mga maalagaan ni Hiyas number 1. Kung sakaling magiging nurse na siya, parang gusto ko na lang palaging magkasakit kung ganyan kaganda yung mag-aalaga sa akin. Let's move on to Hiyas number 2. Baka naman palagi na kayong magkakasakit niyan, ha? Wag naman. Let's take care of our health, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Hiyas number 2. Hello, how are you?
I'm feeling good right now.
You're feeling good right now, and I'm sure Veruela and your supporters are feeling great as well. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, Veruela!
Oh, grabe naman kayo. Gusto ko naman na mas malakas na hello para kay Hiyas number 2. Mag-hello ka ulit.
Hello, Veruela!
Ayan. Okay, so it looks like you're ready. Your question is, if you want to live a happy life, or your motto actually goes, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. What is your goal in order to live a happy life?
My goal to live a happy life is to spread positivity, encourage learning, and foster meaningful connections. Because in the end, it's not about what we have, but about the love we give and receive. And the other and the difference we make in each other's life. I believe that true beauty comes from within, and happiness comes from building meaningful connections. Continuously learning, helping others, encouragement and compassion. I am committed to being a good listener and providing support. I strive to make every interaction a positive experience to inspire and be inspired. By embracing these values, I am dedicated to living a legacy of love and light. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Hiyas number 2. All right, now tama naman yun, no? True beauty comes from within, and of course, that is exactly why we are celebrating individuality with the Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Let's see if your beauty shines through. Hiyas number 3. Wag naman kayong maging matipid sa mga cheer ninyo. Gusto ko marinig ulit yung mga supporters ni Hiyas number 3. Ayan. You have a wonderful support system right here. Sino yung mga kasama mo dyan?
Well, absolutely my co-barangays. Bakay dos, I see my image there. Thank you for that.
Diba, gumastos pa sila. May nagpa-print pa talaga ng mga pictures mo. Sana naman maging sustainable tayo, no? Maitago yung picture, baka ma-frame pa yan. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, so Hiyas number 3. On your bio data, it is stated that you like to sing and compose songs. Oh, that's interesting. If you were to compose a song of your life, what will be its title and why?
Good evening. A woman standing in front of you tonight is a testament to resilience and tenacity. I was born and raised in a poor and broken family, and I experienced scarcity and poverty. But that experiences motivates and inspires me to study hard and to work hard. By being a working student for almost 8 years, for which I sacrificed a lot, and having an academic scholarship, I was able to achieve my education as a graduate of Bachelor's of Secondary Education, major in mathematics. And I was able to support my family needs throughout the time. I am a young entrepreneur and already work as a call center agent and aiming to strive more in life. So if I were to compose a song about my life, the title would be Success. As I believe that success is not about accumulating massive wealth, influence, or power, but rather it will be a testament and celebration of our hard work, overcoming obstacles, challenges, and never giving up on your dreams. This song about success will echo the triumph of the human spirit, inspires others to strive for their own definitions of success. The story of my song will be a celestial marvel, illuminating the darkest corner with the brilliance of unwavering resolve and a beacon of hope that with perseverance and dedication we can achieve greatness. And I already proven that you can taste the sweetness of success if you already experience the bitterness of sacrifices. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Hiyas number 3. Now we will have to stay and see if she will be successful tonight in bringing home the crown and the title of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Hiyas number 4. Ay, mukhang mas maingay yung mga supporters ng Hiyas number 4. Sino-sino yung mga yan?
Well, my supporters are my family, the LGU family. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice, no? That she considers the whole of the LGU as her family. So kudos to you and congratulations in advance to you as well. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so based on your bio data, your motto is let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you are. How will you encourage your fellow youth to embrace who they are?
Good evening, everyone. Every individual is unique. We have our own skills, talents, and capabilities which others do not have. If I've given a chance, I will encourage them to express their emotions and acknowledge them as valid. I will remind them of their strength, beauty of their uniqueness, and most importantly, to be true to who they are and not be pressured of what they see on social media. I am an example to them that what they see in me is who I really am. Thank you and maayong gabi, Veruela.
All right, that was Hiyas number 4, setting a very good example by exuding confidence and poise on the Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 stage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway through the preliminary interview. And gusto ko munang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga Verueleños for keeping your promise of staying quiet habang sumasagot yung mga candidates natin. And andito na po siya, Hiyas number 5, ready na. Hindi ka na nakapag-intay. Hello.
Hello, Elton. Good evening.
And good evening to you too. And you want to say good evening siguro din to some supporters of yours who are present tonight. Ayan.
Maayong gabi, Veruela!
Alright, maayong gabi daw sa inyong tanan. Now, it looks like she's ready, so here you go. You are studying business administration major in marketing. As a marketer, what is the best advice that you will give to aspiring entrepreneurs out there?
Thank you. In this world full of challenges, especially economic challenges, a good entrepreneur must first be adaptive. Second, study your business alongside with your target market, location, and all the factors that may affect your business. And lastly, be patient, consistent, and build a strong connection towards your customers. And to be able to have a successful business, an entrepreneur must achieve the business objectives which are satisfying the needs and the wants of the customers while maximizing their profit. However, it's also important to create a harmonious and a welcoming presence towards your customer, not just solely achieving the business objectives. And as a young entrepreneur, I have been able to sell different products to sustain my studies and needs because my parents taught me to not just settle for less, but to strive for more, look for more, and rise above all challenges. And to all young entrepreneurs, know that we are the architects of change, the guardians of hope, and we are the guardians of hope and the harbingers of future where every individual can thrive and flourish. Thank you.
And thank you so much. Hiyas number 5. It looks like we have a future business and financial advisor within our candidates, ladies and gentlemen. So sa lahat sa inyo na gustong mag-business, pwede na po siyang lapitan. Ang layo mo naman, speaking of lapitan, lapitan mo naman ako dito ng konti. Ang layo mo naman. Takot ka ba sa akin? Or maybe you want to get closer to your supporters and fans. Do you want to say hi to them?
To my family and friends and to National AG Unit of Veruela, thank you so much.
And thank you so much. Can we give a better cheer naman for Hiyas number 6, ladies and gentlemen? There you go. Okay. Are you ready? All right. So Hiyas number 6, you are a senior high school student and consistent placer in the honor roll based on your biodata. How will you inspire other students to maintain high grades?
Becoming an honor student is both a privilege and a significant achievement because it reflects our dedication, hard work, and commitment to academic excellence, which is not all students can easily achieve due to their abilities and themselves. But tonight, I stand before you as a source of inspiration to my fellow students. Demonstrate that achieving academic success and maintaining high grades is possible through determination, perseverance, time management, and focusing on study. So I encourage everyone to continue pursuing academic excellence and believe that if we work hard, prioritize our study, stay focused, and believe ourselves, all of us can achieve our goals. And remember that every small steps we take toward our goals is a step closer towards success. So let's continue striving for academic excellence with a compassionate heart, so all of us can have a brighter future. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Hiyas number 6. We are looking forward to that brighter future with all of the candidates and of course with the future Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And making her way right now is Hiyas number 7. Hello to you and good evening.
Hello, Elton. Good evening.
And you want to say good evening na rin siguro to your supporters and fans. Nasaan na sila? Nasaan yung mga supporters? Grabe. Hindi pa ako tapos. Wait lang. Nasaan yung mga supporters ng Hiyas number 7? Ayan. Oh, you want to say hi?
Hello to my supporters! Especially to my cluster.
All right, hello to her cluster. Maraming salamat for taking your time and supporting Hiyas number 7. You're ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Very confident. Okay, so on your biodata, it says that you graduated at magna cum laude and passed the recent licensure exam for a criminologist. What are the obstacles that you have transcended before all of these achievements?
Attaining these achievements was not easy. I encountered various challenges that tested my resolve and determination. Balancing academic demands with my personal responsibilities was a significant hurdle, requiring meticulous time management and prioritization. Overcoming self-doubts and imposter syndrome was also a constant battle, but I persisted by focusing on my strengths and seeking support from my peers and mentors. Financial constraints also posed obstacles. Financial constraints also posed obstacles, resourcefulness and resilience to navigate. However, despite these challenges, I remained steadfast in my pursuit of excellence, leveraging perseverance and dedication to overcome adversity and achieve my academic goals. Because I believe that I am a representation of a woman who conquers all battles in life. I came, I saw, I conquered. Thank you!
And thank you so much, Hiyas number 7. Ang hirap naman kung ganyan maging polis mo, susuko ka na lang bigla kahit wala kang kasalanan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Hiyas number 8. Hiyas number 8, how are you feeling?
I'm nervous, but I'm also blessed.
And I'm sure you're also blessed with a lot of supporters. Maybe your family is here. You want to say hi muna?
Hi to my family and also to Cluster 1 out there. Hello, good evening.
Meron bang mas malakas dyan na cheer para kay Hiyas number 8? Ladies and gentlemen, ayun, I see number 8 right there. Bakit hindi kayo umiimik? Let's hear it for Hiyas number 8. Ayan. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So your motto on your biodata is dream big, work hard, stay focused. How did this motto inspire you in this pageant?
Thank you. You know what, Elton? My motto in life, which I also apply in this pageant, dream big, work hard, stay focused. It means that to make our dreams a reality, we must be willing to make sacrifices, take risks, and make tough decisions to accomplish our goals. In this pageant, I am aiming for the crown. I am aiming to be Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. To be one, I made a lot of sacrifices just to win this competition. Without compromising my studies, I attended all the preliminary activities of this pageant and practices. Then I have to travel to Tagum to attend my nursing duties and classes. Even though it's hard, but I still keep going because I know all my hard work will be paid off. Because tonight, I will win this fight. I, Sarah Nicole A. Temprado, will be your Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, Hiyas number 8. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we end our Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 preliminary interview. Exciting ba?
Like a butterfly, she celebrates her unique colors and individuality. Hiyas number 1, Selwyn Beth P. Tipanes. delicate and graceful, fluttering through life's journey. Hiyas number 2, Christine Villa Flores. With the elegance of a butterfly, she floats through life's challenges with grace and resilience. Hiyas number 3, Juan S. Hueli. Spreads her wings and embraces her freedom and independence. Hiyas number 4, Maria Teresa Leona Plaza. With the grace and charm of a butterfly, she captivates hearts wherever she goes. Hiyas number 5, Kyla Castromayor. Colorful and vibrant as a butterfly, adding brightness to every corner of life. Hiyas number 6, Princess Jane Arsena. Just as a butterfly flutters from flower to flower, she explores the richness of life with curiosity and wonder. Hiyas number 7, Maureen Pombo. the resilience of a butterfly, she rises above adversity and embraces her own inner strength. Hiyas number 8, Sarah Nicole Temporado. to serenade our Hiyas, please all welcome our guest cruise and sponsoring team representative.
Hiyas Friendship is Hiyas number 7. And finally, we have Hiyas Photogenic.
To award the Hiyas Photogenic, Mr. Lincher Dave C. Manpatilan and sponsoring team representative.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Hiyas Photogenic will be awarded and will be revealed to us by the official photographer, Lincher Dave Manpatilan. Thank you so much, sir. We have the frame right here and we will be revealing the winner for Hiyas Photogenic live on stage. Hiyas Photogenic is Hiyas number 7. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Hiyas number 7, your Hiyas Photogenic for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, I'm told that we are actually live at the Hiyas ng Kadujawan page. So please, to all of you watching us live on Facebook, hello, a big shout out to each and every one of the Verueleños who are watching us live on Facebook. All right, again, congratulations. You have our winners for the special awards, and we will be moving on to the winners of our minor awards. Starting with Best in Creative Attire.
To award the Best in Creative Attire, Honorable Raymond J. C. Brigole and sponsoring team representative.
Best in Creative Attire is Hiyas number 'Gusto ko ng mas malakas pa. Hiyas number 4. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for Best in Casual Interview.
To present the award, we have the sponsoring team representative.
Best in Casual Interview is Hiyas number 4. Pati yung ating mga VIPs, may mga favorites, oh. Best in Casual Interview is Hiyas number 4.
To award the Best in Interview, we have Honorable Milton John Q. Cordita and sponsoring team representative.
All right, while we are giving out the award, again, a big shout out to all of us watching us live at the Hiyas ng Kadujawan page. Hopefully, you get to like, share, and follow the page. And while you're doing that, i-like, i-share, and i-follow nyo na rin ako at Elton Lad. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok. All right, congratulations. Our next award is for Best in Playsuit.
To award the Best in Playsuit, Honorable Jamaico H. Coyo and sponsoring team representative.
Are you guys ready for Best in Play Suit? Alright, ready ang Veruela. Best in Play Suit goes to Hiyas number 4. Verueleños, you have 8 ladies on stage right now who are still vying for the crown of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And they are looking absolutely radiant in their evening gowns. But only one of them will be taking home the award for Best in Gown.
To award the Best in Evening Wear, Honorable Bern Andrew M. Britos and sponsoring team representative.
Our last minor award for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Best in Gown is Hiyas number 4. Isang malakas na palakpakan po, ladies and gentlemen, for Hiyas number 4 on her win for Best in Creative Attire, Best in Casual Interview, Best in Playsuit, and Best in Gown. Alright, I am loving the excitement that I'm getting from all of the Verueleños. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, I want to thank each and every one of our 8 Hiyas. Can we all give a big round of applause, please, to our ladies for tonight? Now, these 8 ladies have been through so much preparing for tonight and preparing for the crown. And truly, each of these ladies are deserving to be called Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. But again, only one of them will be taking home that title and the beautiful butterfly crown for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. We are getting that much closer, ladies and gentlemen, with the top 3 finalists. Ladies and gentlemen of Veruela, we are making the first and only cut for tonight. Leaving only 3 ladies still in the running to become Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Our first finalist is Hiyas number 4. Our next finalist, making it to the top 3. Please move forward and take your spot. Hiyas number 7. Again, ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, Can I get a really huge round of applause, please, to each of our candidates for making it this far? Wala na bang mas malakas? We need to be able to show our appreciation to our ladies for making it this far into the competition. And now we will be announcing the last finalist for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And she is Hiyas number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, you now have your top 3 finalists for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Again, thank you so much to all of our ladies and congratulations for making it this far into the competition. And an even bigger round of applause, please, to your top 3 finalists for tonight. Verueleños, hindi na natin patatagalin pa. We are gonna move straight on through the final question and answer portion for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates will have 1 minute to answer the final question. As you can see, we have Hiyas number 4 ready to have her final her chance at the final question and answer portion. And again, she will have 1 minute to answer, after which they will hear this sound. Now, the rest of our finalists, our 2 other finalists, will be isolated so they do not hear the final question, because they only have 1 question for each of our 3 finalists for tonight. Again, uulitin ko lang po, iisa lang po ang tanong na sasagutin ng ating top 3 finalists for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And let's start the final question and answer portion with Hiyas number 4. Hello, Hiyas number 4. How are you feeling making it to the top 3 and getting all of the minor awards?
Well, I am so happy and I'm thankful that I'm in the top 3. That's all. Thank you.
Well, there's nothing else but to be thankful and to be grateful for all the blessings that she has received tonight. Are you ready for your final question? Or ba gusto mo na munang mag-greet? Medyo huminga ng konti?
Thank you, LGU family, for support, and to my friends as well who cheers for me. Thank you.
All right, it looks like she's ready. So your final question for tonight, I will be reading this twice. As a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community? Once again, as a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community?
Celebrating individuality is a journey. It does not happen overnight, but it helps us to boost our self-esteem, confidence, and ultimately our happiness. In celebrating individuality, I can be humble and authentic, true to myself. By doing so, I can also accept others as they are, and eventually we will be able to understand each other and create a peaceful, loving, happy, harmonious, and united community where no one is left behind. Viva Veruela!
Yes, thank you so much, Hiyas number 4, and congratulations again on your wins for the minor awards. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for your next finalist? Let's have Hiyas number 7. All right, so Veruela, once again, while Hiyas number 7 is making her way, she will have 1 minute to answer the question. And she will be answering the same question as Hiyas number 4. Hello, Hiyas number 7. Kamusta? Kamusta ang isolation booth? Any loud music playing?
Yes. Kusog dyan kayo siya. Like, wala dyan may madungog dito, apo.
Alright, ano yung music na tumutugtog?
Sure, ako kabalo sa title ato ko because I am focusing on myself para po maka-answer sa Q&A.
Alright, now would you like to give me the time for you to breathe a little and say thank you maybe and hi to your supporters?
Hello to Cluster 2!
Alright, hello to Cluster 2. Looks like you're ready. I will be reading the question twice, alright? As a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community? Again, as a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community?
Throughout the years, our municipality has demonstrated resiliency. Throughout the years, our municipality has demonstrated resiliency, dedication, and perseverance, shaping it into the thriving city it is today. We have adapted to the ever-changing times and in our ongoing journey towards a unified future, it is imperative that we will continue the spirit of collaboration that has been instrumental. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hiyas number 7. With these ladies, Veruela, I'm sure the future of Hiyas ng Kadujawan and the Kadujawan Festival and Veruela in general is safe. All right, so let's have Hiyas number 5. Na-mention na ni Hiyas number 7 kanina, no? Veruela is making steps to embracing change. And we are embracing this by going live on Facebook para lahat naman ng Verueleños nakaka-enjoy sa atin tonight. And we will be enjoying your answer tonight. Hiyas number 5, how are you feeling?
A little bit of nervous, but I'm more than happy and grateful.
Happy and grateful. I guess yun lang talaga yung the only feelings that you can have right now, no? Except for nervousness. Nervous?
Sobra.
It doesn't show. All right. It looks like you're ready, but before that, you want to say hi muna? Breathe a little. Hinga ng konti.
So again, maayong gabi, Veruela, and thank you so much for coming here tonight. And to my family and all the people who support me all throughout this journey, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan.
All right, so if you're ready, you have 1 minute to answer the question. I'll be reading it twice. As a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community? Again, as a Hiyas, how will you celebrate your individuality to build your community?
This past few months, our municipality has been drowned by the flood because of the successive rains, which have caused a lot of damages, most especially to our local rice farmers. But in the midst of the uncertainties, the unity and the resilience of the people are bigger than the calamities we have encountered. And I see the struggles of every Veruelaños to stand back, revive, and regain their livelihoods. And because of that, I feel the urge to be of help to our fellow Veruelaños through my knowledge and learnings in my business course, and with our coordination of LGUs and other sectors. I hope to encourage everyone to learn and embrace the digital world in new ways of marketing and promoting businesses through digital and social media marketing. By the unity of all, we can ensure a progressive community and a progressive Veruela. Thank you.
And thank you so much. Thank you so much again. Hiyas number 5, there is absolutely no doubt that Veruela will be a progressive municipality. Because of course, you have to build a beautiful municipality by building up a beautiful community, and we do have an incredible and amazing community right here in Veruela. So again, thank you and congratulations to each of our finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, this ends the final question and answer portion for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Now we're gonna give our candidates just a little time to breathe and compose themselves before we bring them back on stage. So to all of you and to all of you watching us live, see you in just a few moments.
Meanwhile, let's pave way for Pinky Rose Sia, our Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2023, as she takes her farewell walk.
As I stand here tonight, a wave of emotions washes over me. Gratitude for the incredible journey this past year has been. A touch of sadness knowing my reign as Hiyas ng Kadujawan comes to an end. But most importantly, immense joy for the opportunity to pass the crown to the next remarkable woman. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Mayor Mirna Mondihar, LGU family, and to all Verueleños who have constantly showed their unwavering support for me since Hiyas ng Kadujawan up to my Bainalyagan journey. I also want to thank Mami Simon for her dedication and expertise in pageantry, which inspires me to embody the essence of a transformational woman on this stage. To Sir Richard, thank you for sharing your talent and creativity, and for providing me with the opportunity to showcase my talents. To Lola Nergy, Ate Teddy, and especially Ate Pepay, you have shown me that I can be a woman who can walk the stage of Hiyas ng Kadujawan and Bainalyagan with grace and elegance, far from the little girl I was before. To my ever-supportive MTO, Sir Pong and team, you have supported me from the start and never left my side. Thank you for pushing me to be the best version of myself. Your guidance and encouragement have been invaluable. To my friends, family, and the man behind my success, you have been the light that guides my path or constantly reminded me the things that matters the most. To my successor, what truly matters is not the crown itself, but the strength you built along the way. Every tear you shed in practice, every doubt you conquered, every late night spent perfecting your skills, they've woven a tapestry of resilience within you. Hold on to that strength as you wear this crown. As my reign comes to an end, a part of me will always remain a forever Hiyas ng Kadujawan Queen and Bae Veruela. The unwavering support of Verueleños fueled my journey, and that spirit will forever be a part of who I am. No matter where my path leads next, I'll carry the lessons learned, the memories made, and the unwavering Verueleño spirit with me every step of the way. This is Pinky Rose Sia, your Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2023, signing off.
Veruela, this is it! We are about to crown Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. Our candidates are ready, the production is ready, and I have the results right here in my hands. The question remains, ready na ba ang Veruela for your new queen? Alright, now we have an amazing set of candidates for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure, I'm confident that any one of them will be able to bring pride to Veruela. So let's start with the second runner-up.
To award the cash prize and sash for the second runner-up, SB member Honorable Elmar V. Tulay. For the trophy, LNB President Honorable LD.M. De La Cruz. For the bouquet, SB member Honorable Bern Andrew M. Britos. For the crown, SB member Honorable Junito T. Mondihar and sponsoring team representative.
Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up is Hiyas number 7. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Hiyas number 7 is your second runner-up for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. And now we only have 2 ladies left who are still vying for the crown of Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 and who will be taking home the beautiful butterfly crown for tonight. She will be wearing this crown for the rest of the year and will be making Veruela proud as the new queen. Just a quick reminder to everyone, I will be announcing your Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 first, leaving the last lady as your first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's time to award your first runner-up and your Hiyas ng Kadujawan.
To award the first runner-up, cash prize and sash, SB member Honorable Ruel M. Carpisano. For the trophy and bouquet, Municipal IPMR Honorable Jamaico H. Cuyo. For the crown, SB member Honorable Adelo P. Mikutuan and sponsoring team representative. And to award the cash prize and sash for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024, SB member Honorable Raymond J. Brigole. For the trophy, SB member Honorable Rebecca C. Hampak. For the bouquet, Municipal Vice Mayor Hector P. Tanda. For the crown, PCL President of Agusan del Sur, Honorable Salimar T. Montihar and Mayor Myrna S. Montihar and sponsoring team representative.
Verueleños, This is the moment that each and every one of you has been waiting for. We are about to crown Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. As we get closer, ladies and gentlemen, let me hear the numbers. Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 is Hiyas number 4. And that means your first runner-up for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 is Hiyas number 5.
Let's go! This is our home, we got every generation. So full of music, with the monotone in the sun. This is my family, a perfect constellation. So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Whoa! Let's be clear of when I run this show. Whoa! She let us here so many years ago. Whoa! And every year our family blessings grow. It's just like this, simply got to know. Oh, welcome to family, Madrigal. The home of family, Madrigal. We're on our way, where all the people are magical and magical. I'm part of family, Madrigal. Yes, I love the family, Madrigal. And I'm a part of your family, Madrigal.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the first runner-up for Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024, Hiyas number 5. And now we have Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024, Hiyas number 4.
Let's go! This is our home, we got every generation. So full of music, with the monotone in the sun. This is my family, a perfect constellation. So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Whoa! Let's be clear of when I run this show. Whoa! She let us here so many years ago. Whoa! And every year our family blessings grow. It's just like this, simply got to know. Oh, welcome to family, Madrigal. The home of the family, Madrigal. We're on our way, where all the people are magical and magical. I'm part of family, Madrigal. Yes, I love the family, Madrigal. And I'm a part of your family, Madrigal.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are your new queens for 2024.
Veruela, Madrigal, let's go, let's go.
Again, your second runner-up is Hiyas number 7. Your first runner-up is Hiyas number 5. And Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024 is Hiyas number 4, Maria Leona Teresa Kisay Plaza. Please take your first walk as Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024. celebration of individuality to build community. It has been a great night of beauty for a cause, and we thank you all so much for coming. Once again, my name is Elton Ladd. It has been an honor and a pleasure to be hosting this year's Hiyas ng Kadujawan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga Verueleños. We hope to see you once again next year. Happy 18th Kadujawan! And once again, this has been Hiyas ng Kadujawan 2024! Once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng Verueleños. Viva Veruela! Thank you and good evening!